Hi, this is Caleb from Toolbox. Today, I'm going to show you some of the most surprising hacks I didn't even know you could use Pinterest for. If you're a creative professional or Pinterest power user, I think you'll find these very interesting. And with that, my first hack for you is visual search on the Pinterest app. To use this, just open the app and then click on the search bar. You've probably used the Pinterest search bar before where you can just search for words and get pins back. To use visual search, I click on the camera next to the search bar. As an example, let's look at this picture of a chair, several chairs that I took. Say it already spoke to me. Once Pinterest has identified the images, I simply crop a square around the chair I'm looking for, and in a second, oh, there it is. It's found it. From here, I can straight up buy this chair, or simply look at chairs that are similar to it. The next hack that I want to show you is an app you might not know about, also created by Pinterest, which is called Shuffles. Shuffles is a very interesting app that lets you create what I would call collages, but they're not like any collage you've ever seen before, so I'm not sure if that's the right word. They have so much life to them. And since you have access to all of the Pinterest image library, there's already no limits to what you can do with Shuffles. I'll create a new one by clicking the plus button, and you'll see I have many things that I can select from. The first thing is I can select from boards that I've already created. I can select my profile picture and then select the cozy rooms board. From here, I can select any image, for example, this one, and add it to the canvas. You can see that it cuts out the image, and I can do pretty much whatever I want with it. But what's really interesting is I can now do a regular search and just search for cabinets. I can add these to Shuffles in the exact same way. Finally, to share it, I click the share arrow icon, and Pinterest will ask me if I want to leave it public or private. I'll leave it private, and I'm ready to send a link or image to whoever I would like to share this to. If you've now got too many chairs in your home feed, one way you can fix this is with the next hack, which is tuning your home feed. If you go to any Pinterest page and then click on the drop-down arrow next to your profile, and then click on Tune Your Feed, you'll be able to remove things from your home feed that Pinterest thinks you like, but you don't actually like. So for example, I can remove this chair, and now I'm not going to get any recommendations for things based on it. The same goes for all these cards. I was looking at these cards, and maybe this makes Pinterest think that I'm very interested in cards, but the fact is I'm not. So I can uncheck all of these to tell Pinterest that I'm not interested in these cards anymore. Pinterest will no longer recommend them, and I can move on with my life. Something you might have wanted to do is download all the images from a board. To do this, you can use Pin Toolbox, which you can find at pintoolbox.com or in the link in the description. Pin Toolbox is a tool for Pinterest power users that lets you download whole boards with all the full-size images to a single folder on your computer. You'll see that I'm able to add this Google Chrome extension directly to my browser. So all you need to do is click Add to Chrome, and this is going to link us to the Google Chrome Web Store. And then Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. I then need to click on the puzzle icon, and then number 2, we click the thumbtack icon next to Pin Toolbox. Now what I can do is go to any board on Pinterest. Let's go to my profile and then go to my cozy rooms board. I have a couple of different furniture pins on this board, and maybe I want to download the reading nook section of this board. To do that, I just click on the Pin Toolbox icon. Pin Toolbox is limited to 15 pins for the free version, so I'm going to log into my Pro account. I've now logged into my Pro account, and I can begin extracting all of the images from my board. This will only take a few seconds, but with thousands of images, which Pin Toolbox can handle, that may take longer. Done. To download a section, all I have to do is uncheck everything and then find the section I'd like to download. In this case, let's do bookshelf. I can say select all and then simply click download as zip. I also have the option of downloading as a PDF or printing to a printer if I want to. And to view it, I just have to click on the arrow and then double click on the folder to extract it. I can now view each image on the board as a full-size PNG or JPEG, which means I can use them in Canva or Photoshop or anything else. My final hack for you is Pinterest Trends. This is still insane to me that it's free, but if you go to Pinterest Trends, the link is in the description, you'll see another website made by Pinterest called trends.pinterest.com. It lets you see what people on Pinterest are searching for, and not only that, but it'll let you do this in specific volumes and by specific people. This can give you insights that would usually cost a lot of money, but Pinterest is just giving it away for free. For example, I could search by interest, keywords, and age. Let's do a search for 18 to 24-year-old male architects who like animals. We'll see that these are what the search terms are most popular for those people. You can see also where and how this trend has changed over time. Overall, I really hope that you found this useful. Please like and subscribe for more pro Pinterest hacks.